You know, that boat was already taking on water.
Yeah, there's water.
It was taking on water just as they were getting in.
Tyler's bailing it out with his hat. Bailing it out.
Yeah, Tyler! Play nasty! Robert! Christina would not be proud! I say Robert just turn around and start like using his hands. Honestly. Alright, listen. Video! Whoa. Come on, Noah! The love I have for you, Noah. I can't.
Yeah, mine's not going to be this one.
No, you're on your third one.
You go. Noah! We end here.
Yeah, Robert! Woo! Oh, look at Tyler! It's all over!
Are we just taking it right out?
Yeah, Robert! Woo!
Guys, we gotta put our boat back.
Yeah, Robert! Yeah, Robert! Woo!
Guys, our biggest thing is that we can just get off our spot.
Come on, boys!
Let's go another lap.